Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get this kind of toxic slime, silly slime, out of your carpet. I just wanted to make this video because my little sister, she's right here. She put some slime in the carpet, so and it takes longer to take off, but I know an easy way. And you guys would, of course, have these ingredients because they're really easy and your mom always uses them to cook. So, probably, I don't know. So, let's get started. So, I'm going to show you the stain right here. I don't know if you guys could really see it. I don't know if you guys could really see that, but it's right here, all this big thing. Okay, I think you guys can see it's all this. So what you're gonna need for that. No, Jaden. I'll be right back, you guys. I need to go get. Okay, you guys, I came back. So what you're gonna need is paper, some vinegar, and a spoon. So let's get started. Boom! I came back, you guys. There's a big. Oh, sorry, my stomach was showing. There is a big problem. My little sister just stained the carpet even more. Look at this. Whoa. Yo. Look. Oh my god. Okay, you guys, like I said, you guys put the vinegar already. Okay. Oh. And then you're just gonna take the spoon and do this, like rub it, and then be getting the slime like this. And this is what it's gonna look like. That's why you need a paper towel to clean the spoon, and keep on doing that. No! She keeps on dropping her slime. Here, mommy. Here you go, mama. Oh. So you keep on doing that same thing. No, put it there, mommy. Another little stain. Oh my gosh, guys. My little sister's doing a big mess. Mommy, go play with it over there, okay? No. Yeah. No. Oh, come on. What with this? Okay, you guys, so it's better now. It's kind of getting better. So this is my room, you guys. So my brother has his own room. My little sister sleeps with my mama, but she's gonna get her own room when she grows up. Hi guys. I don't know if you guys could hear the barking out of my window. Don't mind. That's just my dog I have back there. Oh. So I'm gonna. Okay, it's getting way better, you guys. I didn't expect this. I didn't know it was actually gonna be good. I just actually tried this once, but it worked very well. Right now it's still stained, So I'm gonna add a little bit more vinegar. Oh god, that was a lot. Oh, that smells bad. So bad, you guys. You guys don't want to smell it. And you guys, if you want, you could rub it with the paper. But it's better like this because it gets it off more, even more. Oh, nasty. I got it somewhere else. Okay, there. After this, you guys might want to wash your hands because it's a little nasty. Your hands are gonna smell. That's why. Then after this, you guys might want to add a little bit of alcohol so it doesn't stain anymore and it just doesn't smell so bad. Oh my god, Jalen, don't bring another one of my slimes. I don't want to stain the carpet. Yeah, this is another one of my slimes. I'm going to show you guys it. Kind of sticky. So this is how it looks like. So yeah. I gotta go downstairs. To tell something to my grandpa. But it's not so important, so yeah. I'll tell him once I'm done doing this. So yeah. Again, you guys are gonna keep on rubbing it. Okay, you guys. I think this is gonna I should say to be the end for the video, you guys. Thanks for watching. You guys, give a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, if it gives you a good example, you guys. Please subscribe, hit the bell to get notifications. So yeah. Hope you don't like this video. I hope it gives you a good example to take off the slime from the carpet. So yeah. Okay, and I'm gonna show you how mine turned out. Turned out very good, guys. And it was actually like this big stain, as big as my hand. You guys. So yeah. I'm gonna take off the other stain that my little sister did. My stinks in here, so that's why I am going to add alcohol. Cause yeah, it really stinks in here, you guys. So yeah. Okay, you guys, so thanks for watching. Give a thumbs up if you like this video. Please subscribe, hit the bell for notifications. I don't know why I'm saying this again. Give a thumbs up, and I hope this was a very good example for you guys to do this. Make sure you ask somebody to do it. Probably they might not let you do it because it's gonna stink. But again, if it stinks, you guys could add perfume, alcohol, whatever, or that thing for the bathroom. When it stinks inside there, you could put that in your carpet. It's gonna make it smell good. So yeah, thanks for watching, you guys. Bye. See you next time.